Hello, hi, it's Liz here and it's Monday, time for the collage assignments, the Margarete Miller assignments, prompts, and it's week, let's have a look, 42. Yep, last week was quite fun, and this week we have the prompts, an image in black and white, something in a colour you don't normally use, botanicals, which is flowers or plants, graph or lined paper, a chocolate or candy wrapper, and the bonus, if you want to swap any, is anything that starts with the letter Y. So, thinking cap on this week because I found this one quite tricky. Chocolate or candy wrapper I just don't have. So I have to swap that out with something with the letter Y, and I hadn't realised, but there's really not a lot of words that start with the letter Y. Anyway, we got there, and I have my little bundle. So an image in black and white, I have this image in black and white. Something in a colour you don't normally use, and I have this purple washi. That purpley mauvey colour is something I don't use, and I don't have a lot of, which proves that I don't use it. And in fact, this was the only thing in purple that I could find, was just this spotty washi, so we will be using that. Botanicals, I have this leaf, sticker, graph or lined paper, I have this piece of lined paper, which will go, I think, at the back, and we'll just probably put that along the bottom somewhere, and anything that starts with the letter Y. So that's the thing that stumped me, the letter Y. What we going to use for a Y? So I hunted high and low, and I came up with a plan A and a plan B, because this is plan A, which is 2 egg yolks, so Y for yolk, and I thought, how could I incorporate egg yolks into this collage? And then it all got a bit surreal because I thought they looked like eyes, and that I would put the egg yolks there or there, whatever way about. Probably that way would be the way. But even for me, and I do like silly, and I do like a bit of surreal, but and a bit quirky, but you know, it's just a step too far. Fried egg yolks for eyes, it wasn't doing it for me. So plan B, and the other Y that I came up with was from my bird book, and it's a yellow hammer. So the yellow hammer, I think, will just sit on this and tell him a story in his ear. That's the most quirky I'm going to be this week. It's not really quirky at all, but the Y stumped me, and I just can't go with the 2 fried eggs. So that's what it's going to be. It's going to be about that, and I'll just put a little bit of washi, I think, round the bottom somewhere. So that's us. The fried eggs we'll do another day. Oh dear. And I know people that watch my collage do like the quirkiness of them, but I think sometimes it can just be a step too far, because, you know, you still want it to be something that pleases you, and I'm not all that sure that when I flip through the book and I get to the boy with the fried egg eyes, that sounds like the name of a book, doesn't it? the boy with the fried egg eyes. Right, let's put the washi on before I stick him down, because I'll probably want that washi along the bottom there. I'll just put it about here, I think. Just use my little plastic Starbucks card. Take that off. There we are. And then he can just go there. Yep. Yeah. So autumn has well and truly arrived here. It started raining. And that'll probably be us with the rain till the snow comes. The leaves are definitely changed colour. And we'll put that there for the little yellow hammer to sit on. Yep. Let's see if we can get this off. There it is. That's the great thing about these washi stickers, they just blend in to the background. Wonder what the yellow hammer, I don't know what kind of noise a yellow hammer makes. Do they chatter or do they whistle? Need to look that one up, need to Google that. Because maybe he's whistling in his ear. Yeah. Good. And I've got a space here, but I don't mind, because that's very big and bold. Maybe I could have given him an egg earring. What do you think? Maybe if he had an egg earring, that's what the bird's going to eat. No. Right, so that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, an image in black and white. Something in a colour you don't normally use. A plant or a flower, is that sticker. Lined paper, and this starts with a yellow Y, is the yellow hammer. Okay, so a little bit plainer for this week after last week's carry on. Yep. Yeah. Okay, so thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye for now.